All right, now that you know all about ETFs, which if you don't, go back and watch our video all about ETFs. In this video, I'm going to show you actually how to invest in an ETF. So let's say you've chosen exactly what you want to invest in. Also, I'm just going to show you how to do it on Vanguard. It's pretty similar in other places, so you can just apply it. So let's say that you've chosen this ESG International Stock ETF as the one you want to invest in. So you want to make sure you get the correct ticker symbol. So that's what we're going to get here. We'll just copy paste it so we make sure it's perfect. Then you are logged in to your Vanguard account. And if you go up here to My Accounts, go to Buy and Sell. And then you'll have these options of what you want to do. So we are investing in an ETF, as we just talked about. So you have to go over here to Trade Vanguard ETFs. There's different processes for buying things depending on what they are, and that's I won't go into the details of why that is, but it just is. So click Trade Vanguard ETFs, and I'll show you exactly how to do this because it can get a little overwhelming. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you want to buy this ETF. So you're going to click Buy. And then in the symbol box, you're going to paste the ticker symbol for the ETF that we are interested in, and then you'll see it here. Just double check that it's the right one, ESG International Stock. And then right here, you'll enter the number of shares you want. You may know the specific number, but more likely you have a dollar amount that you're looking to invest. So you can type or click Calculate Dollar to Shares. Say you have $1,000 to invest, then you'll put $1,000 here and say Use Shares Amount. So this will give you 18 shares. And next, you have to choose one of these order types. And generally, what you will just choose by default is a market order. This means that it's going to place the order at the current price of the share, which is $53.63. So if you click that, you will get it at whatever the price is that day. And so you're going to be spending just over $1,000 with this trade. Now, let's say that you only have $1,000 to spend. You don't have $1,020. In that case, you may either want to lower the number of shares. So you could change this to 16, even 17, and likely you'll get under your $1,000. But let's say you wanted to put exactly $1,000 into this fund. What you could do is then place a limit order. So a limit order, the difference between market and limit is that market buys it at whatever the price it is, so $53.63. A limit order purchases this fund only once it hits a certain price. So if you wanted to get exactly $1,000, you could say that you want 20 shares once the price goes to $50. Now, there's a risk that this price will never go down to $50 because it's just going up. So that is the risk of placing a limit order, is you might not actually get this investment when you wanted it. So that is up to you how you decide to place this order. If you're doing a limit order, you also set the duration here. Like, how long do you want it to give it to hit this limit price? So generally, if you just want to be confident that you're getting invested today, I would place a market order and then just lower the number of shares to the amount of money that you have available to invest. And then, so let's just lower this to 17 and make sure that adjusts. Perfect. And then once you're ready, you would click Preview Order. And you have to make sure that you have the money in cash in that account for the order to go through. And then you would click Continue and submit the order. So I'll just show you, since I have $223 in this account to trade, we will change this to, nope, 4. There, oh, no, 3 shares. All right. So 3 shares, that gets us under the balance that we have in this account. And then we click Preview Order. And so the market is closed because of the time that I'm recording this video. And so this will go into effect when the market reopens. So you click Continue. And then just double check that this is what you wanted. So it's 53.63. It's a market order. It's going to be completed during the day tomorrow. it's going to use $170 of the money in your account, and then you would click submit. And then that would go through, you would see this ETF in your account tomorrow. All right, so hopefully that helps you invest in your first ETF. And if you have any questions about what ETFs are or how to choose them, go back and watch our other video. And if you have other questions about investing or how to manage your money, go to dowjanes.com, check out our free masterclass, or follow us on Instagram, or watch our other YouTube videos for more free education. All right, look forward to seeing you in the next video.